For many Foley homeowners, a walk-in tub is more than just a bathroom upgrade. It's an investment in comfort, safety, and long-term convenience. Designed with low thresholds, built-in seating, and watertight doors, walk-in tubs make bathing easier and more accessible for people of all ages. But with so many designs, features, and finishes available, how do you choose the right one to fit both your bathroom style and your family's needs? Here's a customer-focused guide to help Foley homeowners make the best decision. Assess your bathroom space. The first step in selecting the right walk-in tub is evaluating your bathroom layout. Small bathrooms. Compact walk-in tubs or tub-shower combinations work well, maximizing space while still providing accessibility. Larger bathrooms. Standard or luxury models with added features like hydrotherapy jets or heated surfaces fit comfortably and add a spa-like feel. Remodeling projects. If you're updating the entire bathroom, you may have more flexibility to reconfigure the space and choose a larger tub style. Taking accurate measurements and considering traffic flow ensures your new walk-in tub blends seamlessly into your bathroom. Match the style to your home's design. Just because walk-in tubs are functional doesn't mean they can't be stylish. Today's designs come in a variety of finishes and looks to complement your bathroom. Classic designs. White acrylic tubs with clean lines pair well with traditional bathrooms. Modern finishes. Sleek profiles and chrome or brushed nickel fixtures fit contemporary spaces. Warm touches. Wood-tone cabinetry around the tub adds a cozy, rustic feel for homes with southern charm. By choosing finishes and fixtures that coordinate with your vanity, flooring, and tile, your walk-in tub will look like a natural part of the bathroom. Prioritize safety. Features. One of the main reasons homeowners in Foley choose walk-in tubs is for enhanced safety. Look for features that support accessibility and reduce risks. Low thresholds. Make stepping in and out easy for seniors and people with limited mobility. Non-slip flooring. Prevents slips and falls inside the tub. Grab bars and built-in seating. Add stability and comfort. Quick drain systems. Ensure the tub empties fast, minimizing wait time. Safety features not only improve daily use but also provide peace of mind for your family. Consider therapeutic options. Walk-in tubs aren't just about accessibility, they also offer therapeutic benefits. Hydrotherapy jets. Soothe sore muscles and improve circulation. Air jets. Provide a gentle, relaxing massage. Heated backrests and seats. Add comfort, especially during colder months. For Foley homeowners looking to combine health and relaxation, these options turn a walk-in tub into a personal spa experience. Think about long-term needs when choosing your walk-in tub. Consider not just your current lifestyle but also your future needs. Aging in place. A tub with full accessibility features allows you to remain comfortable in your home as you age. Multi-user households. Tub shower combos may be more versatile if multiple family members share the bathroom. Resale value. Stylish, professionally installed walk-in tubs can appeal to buyers seeking accessibility and luxury. Planning ahead ensures your tub continues to serve your family well for years to come. Trust professional installation in Foley. Even the best walk-in tub won't perform its best without professional installation. Experts ensure proper plumbing and electrical connections for advanced features. Secure, watertight installation to prevent leaks. Adjustments tailored to your bathroom's size and design. Local Foley installers also understand regional building codes, ensuring your project is safe and compliant. Final thoughts. Choosing the right walk-in tub installation in Foley means balancing style, safety, and functionality. By assessing your bathroom space, matching your design preferences, prioritizing safety features, and planning for the future, you can select a tub that enhances both your home's beauty and your family's comfort. With professional installation, your walk-in tub will not only blend seamlessly into your bathroom but also provide years of convenience, relaxation, and peace of mind. It's an investment in both your home and your quality of life.